The Election Commission has reprimanded controversial BJP MP Yogi Adityanath for what it calls provoking feelings of enmity in one of his speeches in UP. The poll panel has also asked the state government to ensure that an FIR is filed against him. Either ways, for now, Adityanath's job is done. The crucial by-polls to 9 assembly seats and 1 Lok Sabha seat is on Saturday, and today was the last day of campaigning.
After a series of allegedly inflammatory comments at poll rallies, the Election Commission coming down heavily on controversial BJP leader Yogi Adityanath. The poll panel says an FIR should be filed against Adityanath for promoting enmity between communities, outraging religious feelings, and for speeches designed to create public mischief. The poll panel has also written to the MP and warned him to be careful in his public statements 2 days after he was served a notice for his controversial speech at a public meeting in Noida. So will this be a setback for the BJP, which recently appointed Yogi Adityanath as its star campaigner in UP, despite the serious allegations of creating communal tension against him? For now, at least it appears that Adityanath's job is done, with today being the last day of campaigning ahead of the crucial by-polls to 11 assembly seats and 1 Lok Sabha seat on Saturday. He has already been named in another FIR on Thursday for defying the state government and holding a rally in Lucknow on Wednesday, where he openly dared the Akhilesh Yadav government to arrest him, calling the Samajwadi Party's politics divisive and discriminatory.
हम लोगों को लोकतंत्र को बचाने के लिए इस प्रकार की तानाशाहीपूर्ण और एक परिवार विशेष का वर्चस्व स्थापित करने के उद्देश्य से चल रही भ्रष्ट सरकारों को उखाड़ फेंकने का संकल्प लेना ही होगा.
That rally has also been filmed and will be examined by the Election Commission to determine what action should be taken next. His opponents accuse him of communalizing the atmosphere for gains in elections.
इनके नाम के आगे योगी तो लिखा ही नहीं जाना चाहिए. उनकी सारी हरकतें बिल्कुल उस तरह की हैं जैसे किसी बड़े अपराधी की होती.
In the Yadav bastion of Mainpuri, however, a toned-down Adityanath addressed the crowd on the phone due to bad weather, where the BJP is locked in a tough battle with the ruling SP. And while he may not be able to defeat the Yadavs on their home turf, Adityanath's fiery speeches seem to have set the agenda for a bigger face-off in the 2017 UP elections. With Neha Masih in Lucknow, in New Delhi, Sanjukta Kar for NDTV.